Hi there, I'm the Bento Buster, a Kiwi in Japan, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare your very own bento box. And the great thing about this bento is the cooking time. It only takes 4 minutes to cook. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I got the recipe from this book. This book is called Super Quick Microwave Bentos. Each bento contains about 100 grams of meat, and together with the rice and vegetables, everything takes only 4 minutes to cook, and you can cook them all together at once. Yay! So if you're in a hurry and you also want a nice healthy bento, I think this is exactly what you need. And this is the bento that I'm going to make for you today. Sweet meatballs with snap peas. And as you can see, there are so many cool recipes to choose from. So this might actually be an ongoing project as I try each one. Or some of the good ones anyway. As I mentioned, these bentos are super simple to make, and if I can make it, then you can too. Just follow these easy steps and you can have your own Japanese bento too. Okay guys, are you ready? Well, let's get started. First off, you'll need 100 grams of ground pork. And to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hamburger helper, a teaspoon of minced garlic, and a tablespoon of Kewpie mayonnaise. And now I'm going to incorporate everything together to form the meatballs. First off, form one massive meatball. Then slap it against your hands 10 times like this. Then divide it into 6 mini meatballs. If you don't have any hamburger helper, then panko breadcrumbs and some seasoning of your choice will do the trick. Roll them up so they're nice and smooth, and then they are done. And there you go, 6 meatballs ready to go in no time at all. Okay, now let's move on to the veggies. These are snap peas and they don't need much preparation at all. Maybe just pull out that little stringy part and that's about it. This is oyster sauce and ketchup, and I'm going to use this to make the sweet sauce for the meatballs. All you have to do is give it a good mix, then pour it on top of your meatballs. Okay, so far so good. I am following the recipe from the book and it's all going to plan. But I have actually made the odd adjustment here and there just to give this bento a more Bento Buster appeal. Okay, now I'm going to cover these up with some plastic wrap, then microwave them for 4 minutes. Oh, and I can't forget the rice, can I? Now I could use the rice in my rice cooker, or I could use this 2-minute microwavable rice. And that's what I used, and I stuck it in for the last 2 minutes with the meatballs and the snap peas. Okay, this is my bento box with the rice already inside it, and these are my wee little liners. Now let's get these open and put them into my bento box. Aha, lovely snap peas with a beautifully natural snap pea flavor. No additives here. Oh, and look at those porky meatballs. Now give me a moment while I cover them with that naughty oyster and ketchup sauce. And if you're not a big fan of ketchup and oyster sauce, then how about using, say, some marinara sauce? After all, it is going to be your bento, so you've got to make it your own. Okay, well that's my bento box. What do you think? But hey, I still feel like something's missing. Something needs to go right about here, don't you think? That's right, I need one of these, an Umeboshi, a sour salted plum, to make my bento box complete. Now that looks much better. Yep, this definitely is a fabulous bento box. It's hard to believe that everything was cooked in only 4 minutes. And as you know, this was super easy to put together. And if I can put it together, that means you can too. Bento boxes are fantastic. They are portable and nutritious. They're also eye-catching and mouth-watering. They're creatively presented and also culturally enriching. Oh, and also economical. So, are you sold? And are you now a bento box convert, like me? Well, if you are, congratulations, and now it's your turn to give it a go. Now, let me get back to my book and see if I can find another recipe for you, eh? Thank you for watching. I'm the Bento Buster, and I'll catch you next time.